Today I am taking the topic of breadth first search, which is one of the search engine process. I am Priyanka. Let us see what is breadth first searches. What is BFS? Breadth first search. That means it is also an uninformed search algorithm which visits the node level by level. Which visits the node level by level. It first visits all the neighboring nodes of node before moving on to the next level. So it uses a queue technique which is FIFO, first in, first out. What does this BFS algorithm says? So we are having different steps. The first step is we have to start from the root node as usual, then add it to the queue. The root node has to be added into the queue, then visits the nodes which are available. All the unvisited neighbor nodes has to be put in the queue. So then after that remove from the front node of the queue, repeat the step until the queue becomes empty. So as we have seen in the last video, DFS does it search from top to bottom. But in this BFS search, we will go from root node, then by level to level. So if this is level 0, then we will go for next level 1. Like this, the traversing will going to take place. Now we will see how the BFS works. The step 1 is visiting the A. So look at the diagram we have taken as an example, that is actually diagram. So here node is A, which is called as root node. Then we are having B and C in the next level. Then D, E, F and G in the next level. So A is in level 0, B and C is in level 1, D, E, F and G are in level 2. So what we have to trace now, we have to find out the goal node, that is G. So let us begin with root node. So which is the root node here? A is the root node. So now when we have visited the root node, it has to be put it in a queue operation. So in queue we have already kept our A. This queue looks like queue is having two different positions. One is called as front, next is rear. So when we have visited the A, it has to be put in a queue. So A is already entered in a queue. Now let us see how the BFS will works. So step 1, it has to visit a root node. Look at the example tree we have taken. Here we have taken A as a root node which is in level 0. Then we are taking B and C, that is in level 1. Then the nodes which are D, E, F and G are in the next level which is level 2. Now our goal node is G. We have to trace this G from the root node which is A. So since we are visiting A has to be kept in a queue. Queue is having two pointers. One is front pointer, another one is rear pointer. Whatever the node we have visited, now A we have visited, that has to be pushed into the queue in the front pointer. So the visited node is also A. So let us put like this. Next we will go for step 2. In step 2 we have to visit the next nodes in the next level which are level 1 which is having B and C, and B and C are the child of root node A. So now what we have to put? We have to put B into the queue in the front side. So we have put the B, and also since C is also there, C should also be put in the queue in the front side of it. So now the visited nodes are A, B and C. In this step 3, we have to visit B's child, that is D and E. So now let us go to D and E. So now visited nodes are A, B, C, D and E. So which is now in the queue will be having child of B, that is D and E plus C as in the front. And the last step is visiting C children, that is F and G. When we have visited F and G, what is our goal? Which is G, which is kept in a queue. Now visited the nodes traversing is A, visiting B, then C, then D, E, F and G consecutively. What is complete traversing of BFS? So A has visited B, B has visited C, D, E, F and G. So we have to continue this process until our queue becomes empty. So this is what the depth first search is. So difference between BFS and DFS is BFS goes our goal node, but in DFS we will not get a goal node if the goal is not available, since it will go from top to bottom as a depth. Then next, BFS. The real-time example for this is finding the shortest route in the Google map, and it also checks the nearby location first, then the distant locations. Because of this, BFS is assured of finding the shortest path in an unweighted graph, which is not possible in the DFS. So this is guaranteed. This BFS gives the guaranteed shortest path.